You don't need a degree. You don't need coding skills. You don't even need a business idea. Yet, you can start earning money in your sleep, starting this month. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful passive income ideas that are working right now in the USA with 0 special skills required. These aren't scams. These are real investment-based methods used by smart investors in 2025. Let's begin. First up, dividend ETFs. Imagine putting your money into a basket of top US companies and getting paid every quarter just for holding it. ETFs like SCHD, VUM, and JEPI are known for paying consistent dividend income between 3 to 7% annually. These are beginner-friendly, require no active trading, and can be bought on platforms like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Fidelity. Invest $500 and let the dividends roll in. Best part? You're building wealth and getting paid passively. Next is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Normally, real estate requires a lot of cash and management, but REIT platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it as simple as using an app. You invest in commercial properties and earn a share of the rental income, without owning anything physically. Annual returns range between 5% to 8%, and you don't lift a finger. It's true real estate investing without the pain of tenants, repairs, or agents. Perfect for busy professionals. Number 3, US Treasury bills and government bonds. Want guaranteed income with 0 risk? Treasury bills are short-term government securities that currently yield around 5.2% annually. You can buy them directly on treasurydirect.gov or through your brokerage account. They're backed by the US government, meaning 0 default risk. You invest, sit back, and receive payouts on maturity. No apps, no markets, no stress. So there you have it. Dividend ETFs for income plus growth REITs for real estate cash flow. T-bills for risk-free returns. Start with even $100. Let your money work for you. Which idea did you like the most? Comment below. Subscribe to ShinePath Investments for more faceless, beginner-friendly finance tips in English and Hindi every single week.